Hey, let me show you how to share your screen with a connected Cisco Webex video or room device. When you're in a room with a Webex device, your Webex Teams app automatically connects to it. Or, if you don't have Webex Teams set to connect automatically, you can select a nearby device or search for one. Click Connect to a device. Select one of the available devices from the list, or click Search for a device. Type in the name of the device you want to connect to, and select it. When the pin displays on the device, just enter it in the Webex Teams app. After you're connected, you can share your screen to it. That way, everyone in the meeting can see what you're sharing. Click your device, and then choose Share Screen. To share documents or images with fine detail, leave Optimize for Video unchecked to ensure that everyone sees what you're sharing clearly. When you want to share video or animations, check Optimize for Video so content is shared at a higher frame rate and everyone sees smooth, fluid motion. Make sure Share Computer Audio is checked so your audio plays over the connected device's speakers and everyone in the room can hear it too. Choose the screen or application that has the content that you want to share.
Today we're talking about a few new tips and tricks you can use.
Now, everyone in the room sees and hears what you're sharing with them from Webex Teams.
Here at the office, we have plenty of rooms that are outfitted with video conferencing equipment.
Give it a try.